It was a moment of celebration in a car Agbo precisely on Saturday as a lot of people decamped from PDP to APC. And some people saw me there and was like, Deputy Jesus, what are you doing here? Have you started doing politics, joining hands with people to destroy our country and state? Well, in case you don't know, my family, the Kogolo family in Onchubo, has been an ardent APC member, and my village has produced Minister of Petroleum under Buhari under APC. However, I'm not a politician, but like I always know, both PDP and APC, there's no difference. I want you to know this. We are in PDP in Delta State, but the state is not developing. Meanwhile, a PDP governor is doing well in Enugu State. So it's not about the political party. It is about individual differences. It's about who know what to do or who have the people in mind. It's not about the political party. Therefore, we are following Ned Nwoko to this movement, not because of the party, but because of what we stay to achieve, which is most likely to be our own Anioma state. And even if we remain in Delta State for the betterment of Delta North, this is the reason why we are following Ned Nwoko on this matter. I didn't go there because I'm a member of the party, and I never voted on the light side of the party. What my vote goes for is individual. I can decide to vote a person in a court party. I can decide to vote a person in SDP. I can decide to vote a person in Shaware party. I vote based on personality, not based on party principles. Therefore, you must understand the reason why people like us are supporting Ned Nwoko. Like my friend will say, if the devil will lead you to heaven, partner with him. Thank you and God bless you. And try much as you can to see reasons why we support Ned Nwoko on this mission. APC has promised to be the only political party in power to give us an Anioma state. And we are here because of it.
We are here live at the inauguration of moving from PDP to APC. Yeah, the main reason why we are here is because of this Anioma state creation. You can see it here. The real politics is not the moving of APC to PDP or PDP to APC. The real politics we are playing today is for the creation of Anioma state. So stay with Indina Subia as we show you what's going to be happening from today onward. Let's go.